Story time! Meet the characters. Excellent Fox, Yawning Yak, Zippy Zebra.
Everything is so boring. Yawn!
Yawning Yak, we will make you laugh. Look at my yellow yo-yo. It is a swing.
Boring. Yawn!
Do you want to do yoga with me?
Yawn! I am going to fall asleep.
Do you want to read a box of books?
No thanks. Yawn!
Do you want to go to the zoo?
A zoo? With animal friends? Yes, that sounds amazing. You are excellent, excellent Fox.